In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a creative touch to your documents in Microsoft Word by blurring specific parts of an image. This little trick can come in handy when you want to highlight or obscure sections of a picture within your document. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, you'll need to have your Microsoft Word file open and ready to go with the picture you intend to use already in your document. Make sure that the image you plan to modify is well suited for the effect you want to achieve, as clarity is key to understanding the final output. With your picture in place, the first thing you'll do is create a duplicate of it. This is as simple as selecting the image, right-clicking, and choosing the copy option, then right-clicking again and selecting paste. Having two copies of your picture is crucial because one will be your original reference and the other will be the one we apply effects to. With both images in your document now, go ahead and select the second picture. Navigate to the top of your window where you'll find the Picture Format tab. Clicking it will bring up a variety of options specifically tailored to modify your pictures. Under this tab, you'll see a button labeled Artistic Effects. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a plethora of creative effects to choose from. For our purposes, select the blur effect. Instantly, you'll see the second picture become blurred, allowing you to draw attention to or away from specific details. Next, we need to position the blurred picture correctly over the original. To do this, look for the Wrap Text feature, which is also under the Picture Format tab. Click on Wrap Text and select In Front of Text. This setting allows you to overlay the blurred image directly on top of the original picture. Carefully drag and position the blurred image so that it completely aligns with the original picture. Precision is important here to ensure both images are of the exact same size and position. Now it's time to crop the blurred image, refining it to cover just the section you want to obscure. Under the Picture Format tab, locate the Crop option within the size group. Click on it and adjust the cropping handles around the blurred image to enclose just the area you want blurred. Once you are satisfied with the selection, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard and you'll see your changes take effect. You're almost at the finish line. You might want to group these two images into a single element for easier handling within your document. This can be done by selecting both images, right-clicking, and choosing the group option. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to apply a blur effect to specific parts of an image in Microsoft Word, enhancing your document's visual appeal and utility. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be a pro at transforming your documents into more engaging and creative works. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.